So I've got my pieces down, and this is kind of the way this went. Now in the sketch, you guys remember that there was that diagonal line running right across. I just did not have enough paper, so we're just gonna go with it, right? Not a big deal. All of these pieces are popped down that I was able to fussy cut, and it filled it in enough. I'm really happy with that. Phew. Now here's some of our die cut pieces. The only other die cut pieces we have are these, and I might build them into a title, I'm not sure. And I was thinking it might be kind of cute to put this here. So why don't I use this little Frankenstein-y piece of foam I have and tuck that in, just kind of going around that piece. And then I need, see how we have this really deep purpley plummy piece here? Wouldn't hurt for me to get some of that over here as well. So I'll pop that in there, and then maybe this right here. So let me go ahead and put those in. I'm gonna do that. Oh, and then what I thought I would do, you know how there's green here and purple here? I thought it would be cute if I use these wordy bits and do green ones along this line and then like purpley ones along this line. So like you are right where you belong. That might be kind of cute. Like if, oh, wait, where you are supposed to be, I'm sorry. That might be kind of cute if I put it like along this edge is what I meant. And then I will finish the rest with a purpley, purple, mauve, whatever bits here, and the green ones on this edge. Okay, then I went into my fall flare from Scrappin Happy Studio. These are canvas flare, and they're super gorgeous. Look at how cute this piece will be to play off of those. So I'll put one of those. I love these little foamy bits. I save them for other things. I will have some of those here. I like the leafy ones for this because I don't really need a fox for this one. So I can have that one there. Maybe this one popping up there. Oh, that's cute. And got to get these pieces off, and then I'll put one in my other cluster. So totally what I'm doing, I'm just like kind of seeing how much I can build this out. Now at some point, guys, I can't get this off. At some point, I will get my bingo card that we were playing with and start adding extra bits. But I thought I would take you along. Oh, that's pretty. I can just pop that. Or do I want to pop it over here? Ooh, I think I want to pop it right there. Okay, so I'm going to keep playing with this and doing that. Now, I also want to be able to add in some of my alphas to do stuff with the title. But I thought I'd show you how my process is going. Right, so I've got those little bits on. Now we have to start looking at some kind of a title. And it's amazing how many stickers you get in these pink fresh sticker sheets. Very cool. So I'm wondering if I should do something like it's a good day and then put his name, which I'll put Mr. Rocco. You know, because he was quite refined. We did refer to him as Mr. Rocco at times. So I'm thinking that would be a cute title, and it'll bring in this really pretty little plummy color that I like. So let me get just a couple of these little foamy bits. I do want to have some of that green showing, so I will put them nice and low. And then I'll get those pieces on, and then we're gonna start addressing the bingo card. So there's all kinds of things on there that we wanna look at. It will be fine, and we will work on it together. I'll be right back. All right, so let's see what we can do here. Multi-photo, no. Stars, I don't know how this star thing's gonna go. Let's see if I have any left that will work. You know, this pinky color picks up enough of that purple, so that would be fine. I'm grasping at things at this point. Now the hot pink won't work. Yeesh. I don't know. Now that looks totally random because I don't have enough. So I've gone through my little puffy bits. Let's see if I have anything in here. Stars, stars, stars. No. Oh, I thought I would check like that. Well, that deep green acrylic one works. The only thing that's hinky is I don't have anything else that's acrylic on here. But guys, I would love to use it. So I think I'm going to just get it maybe tone on tone green tucked in there. All right, so I will have a star. Great. Wasn't my plan per se, but it's fine. Stickers. Did I? Oh, yep, used all these stickers, enamel dots. I do have these enamel dots that came. Let me just maybe put them along this, these wordy bits. I have these enamel dots that came, so I'm just gonna go kind of like 1, 2, 3 with them. All right, little tiny strip of them is used up. Fussy cutting, I did lots of that. I have pattern paper, so that doesn't work. Wood veneer. So my wood veneer thing, it's either using my acrylics or actually wood veneer. And I did get that little acrylic piece on. Let me see if any of these, like seriously, vintage wood pieces will work. I've got that star. I don't think I have other stars, so I'm not going to do that. Lots of hearts. Let's see. I can do these like little arrow wood pieces are really cute. So I will go ahead and just pop a few of them in here if they work. If they don't work, there's no point. But I'm thinking maybe smaller ones. There we go. I can just go ahead and put that right. So I have one there. And then I'm looking for one more itty bitty one. Just so, there we go. So that will take care of the wood veneer. Got a couple more of those pieces on. If I were smart, which I wasn't just now, I just saw these leafy shapes and I could have totally tucked them, but I have plenty of leaves, that's fine. Okay, next, what else do we have? Circles, I've got these pieces. Did not use numbers, double border on my photos, fine. Sequins. Let me see what I have with my little sequin packs. I could bring in some of these gold ones, might be nice. I'm going to bring in a few of those gold sequins to have just a little bling. Single photo I did. Chipboard I did not. No. Do have the flare. My title is only partially pre-made. No rainbow. I do have florals. Foam and puffies. Let's see if I can get any of these hearts. Ooh, I've got this like seafoam color in a few colors of these hearts. So I will be able to get some puppies. So guys, that will end up being that for this layout. I'm just gonna get those couple little bits on here. I will have still shots to follow. And guys, thank you so much. I am so darned excited that we are already finishing up day 26. Totally have to get ready for Scraptember, and then after that will be series 13 for Christy's Beautiful Life. So there's fun stuff going on, and guys, I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.